12 Diet Hacks. Little tweaks to your diet can drastically improve your health and waistline. Even though these tips might seem like small, easy changes, the results of putting them into practice can really add up. Recharge your eating habits with these hacks. Avoid dieting. Everyone has a diet, but that doesn't mean you have to be on a diet. Being on a diet suggests that it's only temporary. No matter what diet you might follow, at some point you're going to revert back to your eating habits once the diet is over. Instead of going on a diet, tweak your current eating habits until you have something that gives you the results you desire and is easy and healthy enough to follow it forever. Change slowly. You might want to change everything at once, but that strategy usually doesn't work very well. Instead, improve your diet a little each week. This method will be easier to stick with and you'll have a healthy diet before you know it. Go vegetarian a day or two each week. In most cases, vegetarian diets are healthier and lower in calories. Try it a couple of days each week. You'll lose more weight and be healthier. Get the junk food out of the house. If it's in the house, you're going to eat it sooner or later. The solution is to simply get rid of all of it. Give it away or throw it in the trash. Keep plenty of healthy snacks readily available. If your snacks are healthy, you can feel free to eat. If you're eating really healthy food, you can get away with eating a larger volume of food. You'll never go hungry again. Drink water. Juices are often high in sugar or chemical sweeteners. Diet drinks are questionable from a health standpoint. Give your body the water it craves and it will reward you with better health, all the way down to the cellular level. An added plus, drinking plenty of water helps keep you from consuming excess calories too. Take your lunch. Most of the things that are available in restaurants are not very healthy. It also can be challenging to order a salad when your coworkers are ordering bacon cheeseburgers. You will be healthier and save money if you take your lunch. Eat nuts. Nuts are an excellent source of healthy fats and protein. Watch out for the salt and don't eat too many, since their calories will add up with large servings. Most recommendations call for 1 ounce of nuts per day, which is about 15 to 20 nuts. Eat berries. Berries are super healthy and can make other things taste better. Put some berries on your oatmeal or yogurt. Try to eat some every day. Get your fiber. Unless you eat beans regularly, it's highly unlikely that you're getting all the fiber you need. Track your diet and see how much you're actually consuming. Consider a fiber supplement if you don't seem to be able to eat all that you should. Exercise a little. Even a small amount of exercise can have positive benefits and curb your hunger. Move around enough to increase your heart rate for at least a few minutes each day. Bake, don't fry. Besides being fattening, oils that have been heated to very high temperatures can be very unhealthy. With the right herbs and spices, you can learn to love baked foods. Savor the flavor, without the calories. A few healthy changes can go a long way toward improving your diet, health, and appearance. Try them out today and see if you don't look and feel better. Thanks for watching our video. Please leave a comment, hit the like button, and share our video. Be good to yourself, and stay healthy.